Good morning, class 7. Today our first chapter of geography we will start, that is representation of geographical feature. What are the features? In your last class you have known what is map, what type is globe, advantage, disadvantages, everything. In this class we will know more about it. So you knew that map was a graphical representation of the earth on a flat surface, and it provides us information of our planet, its distribution of population, where which type of rainfall occurs, what is the settlement, where people are staying or settlements happening, what are the landforms of our earth. All these things we can find in a map. Not only this, it shows us different size, shapes, directions, and exact locations of countries also. For the purpose of clarity, different symbols, colors, and levels are used that you already know. It can be classified on the basis of their service. So, a thematic map. That's why these are known as thematic map. Now, what is a thematic map? It includes information on the specific theme or topic such as rainfall, plantation, agriculture. Okay. Similarly, topographic map contains the detailed information about the local landforms, water bodies, roads, railway tracks, buildings, and other features of a smaller location. Now we will read about topographical map. What is topography? Topography is referred to the arrangement of the natural and artificial physical features of an area. A topographical map shows us how the ground is shaped, or what is the shape of the ground, and also it provides us to calculate or weigh height of the feature of the map. It shows the height of the place from the sea level. It helps us to understand the area. A topographical map has the same elements as the non-topographical map, like scale, legend, north narrow, that you have studied, I think, if you remember. Now, here in a topographical map, you will notice lines, that is of different colors, like brown lines are used to determine the height and the physical features such as mountain. So those lines are known as counter lines. Here different colors are used. In a topographical map, different colors are used, and that's why these colors plays a vital role in a map. Cartographers use these colors on the map to represent specific features like mountains, rivers, settlements, etc. Here are some colors and features, like black shows the cultural features such as building, railways, and power transmission lines, etc. You can see tracks are made, roads are made. Same way, blue represents water surface, like lakes, rivers, waterfalls, rapids, swamps, marshy, whatever containing with water. Next is the green color. It indicates vegetation, forest, wood areas, orchids, vineyards. Brown. It is denoted for most contour lines. Brown color is used to give us an idea about the line. If we see such line, we do know what it is mentioned for. Different features and elevations. Red is showing us man-made features like roads, political boundaries, settlements in a map. Lastly, in yellow, which indicates the cultivated areas of a land. Now, The variety of color can be found in a map and which chooses different options. So this helps us to understand the map quite a bit. Now scale. What is scale? Scale gives us an idea about the distance of the original place. For that, there is a calculation which helps us to know the distance originally. Map scales are being made by a specific scale. Scale on the map is defined as ratio of the distance between 2 points on the map to the corresponding distance of the ground. That means based on this size, the scale maps have been classified as the large scale, a small scale map. Okay, now let's see how the calculation is done. Small scale maps represents a large area. However, a small scale, the size object will be smaller and will have less details. For example, map of a country. Large scale map that in which it is depicted a smaller country, a small territory in a big form. The area had been the area of land that is being visible on a large scale map, the area of land that is being represented by the map has been scaled down as large scale. A large scale map only shows a small area but in great detail. Example, a map of a town or city with larger size object and details will help you to find out a new school there.